If you are looking for Bitcoin SV market figure examination or cost expectation, you likely want to know where the cost of Bitcoin SV BSV may go from here on out. Our cost forecasts use a variety of machine-based calculations to attempt and basically anticipate future price development. What will Bitcoin SV be worth 1 month from now, which is very important, is currently the perfect opportunity to purchase Bitcoin SV, or so they thought. His Bitcoin SV is of now giving bullet or negative indications in this Bitcoin SV cost expectation gauge. We will process different BSV specialized markers to foresee the cost of Bitcoin SV, particularly throughout the course of the past few days. Because of this, we for the most part anticipate a slight recovery within the very 1 week from now, as financial backers truly make the most of this drop as an opportunity to purchase BSV. Below you can see the Bitcoin SP hourly, day-to-day, week-by-week, and monthly price expectations. These expectations are meant to generally provide you with a sign of what Bitcoin SV will typically be worth in the future. The current price of Bitcoin SV is 34.68, and it is currently in position number 67 out of all digital currencies, which is very significant. The total amount of stockpile that is currently available for use for Bitcoin SV is 19,266,077, and it has a total market capitalization of 658,692,586 in the form of Bitcoins. Bitcoin SV certainly struggles with picking up speed throughout the course of recent days, down 6.37. BSV is giving negative indications this week. This present time could be a decent opportunity to invest on the off chance that you, in every practical sense, are considering purchasing Bitcoin SV inside the most recent 30 days. The cost of BSV in a real sense dropped by 5.81, lessening its past worth of 36.82 by 2.48. Current downtrend indicates that Bitcoin SV is in plunge at the present time. The cost of Bitcoin SVS eventually has for the most part dropped by 22.59 over the course of the most recent 3 months, disposing of 10 and 12 cents from its previous value of 44.81. Our Bitcoin SV market conjectures certainly are resolved utilizing various machine-based calculations, which examine various specialized pointers such as the general strength, file RSI, moving normal intermingling uniqueness MACD. The crypto market is known to in a real sense be extremely unpredictable, which makes it difficult to predict future sticker prices of Bitcoin SV. Since the price is affected by a wide variety of factors, the price predictions on our site should not be taken as financial advice, and you should conduct your own research in spite of what is commonly believed. Put an end to your relationship with your financial advisor before engaging in any kind of significant speculative activity. Bitcoin SV BSV value expectation 2023. As we fundamentally recover from the crypto winter, we in every practical sense are anticipating that Bitcoin SV will really accomplish a very greatest cost of 62.43 as the market begins to recover. The base expected cost is 41.62, and the especially normal cost will by and large float around 52.3 cents. The Bitcoin SV BSV value forecast for 2024 is that the cryptocurrency will continue to climb to new highs. According to our estimations, the greatest value that Bitcoin SV can achieve in 2024 is $97.12, while the exceptionally normal cost for the year will remain around $86.71. In the event that a bear market emerges, the especially least value that Bitcoin SV can for the most part achieve in 2024 explicitly is $76.31. Bitcoin SV BSV value forecast 2025. Of every 2025, we really anticipate that Bitcoin SV should in a real sense see great development as crypto earns. With the continued growth of capital in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin SV can reach a base price of 110.99. Bitcoin SV BSV value expectation 2026. This is according to the expectation of the Bitcoin SV BSV value. The exceptionally least cost expected in our expectation in every way that really matters sits at 145.68. Bitcoin SV BSV value forecast 2027. Taking into consideration the reception of BSV by nations all over the planet, Bitcoin SV can guarantee a for the most part greatest cost of 201.17 by 2027. With a typical cost of $190.77.08 anticipated. Incredibly more of the especially normal cost for 2028 is supposed to be $225.45. Bitcoin SV BSV value forecast 2029 out of 2029 because of the development over the fundamentally most recent 5 years, we will see another significant bull, which generally implies that Bitcoin SV financial backers might see BSV accomplish a sort of greatest cost of 270.54 cents, basically followed by a normal cost of 260.13. The base cost obtained from our specialized investigation is 249.73 Bitcoin SV BSV value e Bitcoin. The new lease cost of Bitcoin SV may be 319.10. And the worst-case scenario that can be expressly envisioned is that Bitcoin SV will close in 2031 at a price of 329.50. In the last 10 days, the value of Bitcoin has gone up by more than a third. This has led to expectations of a crypto rally that will break records in the coming months. The top cryptocurrency in the world hit its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, when it went above $28,000. At the beginning of the year, it was worth less than $17,000. It's still a long way from its all-time high in November 2021, when it was close to $69,000, but traditional financial problems have brought optimism back to the crypto market. Balaji Srinivasan, who used to be the chief technology officer of Coinbase, bet $2 million that one BTC will hit $1 million in the next 90 days. This shows how optimistic he is about Bitcoin's price in the near future. The bet was made after Twitter user James Medlock wrote that he would bet anyone $1 million that the US does not enter hyperinflation. Mr. Srinivasan took up the offer and said that if he lost, he would send Mr. Medlock 1 BTC and $1 million in the stablecoin USD coin, which is tied to the US dollar. If he wins, he gets to keep the Bitcoin and the stablecoin. You buy 1 BTC. I'll send $1 million, the former Coinbase employee wrote on Twitter. This is a 40:1 chance, since 1 BTC is worth about $26,000. It's for 90 days. Mr. Srinivasan said that he thought the skyrocketing prices would be caused by the US dollar going through hyperinflation. Because of the development over the absolute most recent 5 years, we will buy and large see another significant bull, and that implies that structural financial backers might see tonic especially accomplish a truly greatest cost of 0 inches. The last 10 days, the value of Bitcoin has gone up by more than a third. This has led to expectations of a crypto rally that will break records in the coming months. The top cryptocurrency in the world hit its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, when it went above $28,000. At the beginning of the year, it was worth less than $17,000. It's still a long way from its all-time high in November 2021, when it was close to $69,000, but traditional financial problems have brought optimism back to the crypto market. Balaji Srinivasan, who used to be the chief technology